This video is a demonstration on some of my favorite features of Google Docs. These include the formatting paintbrush, headings, the table of contents tool, inserting an image, and the research tool. Here I have a sample article and notes page. My first step is going to be creating headings for each of the 3 paragraphs within. My first paragraph is about the uses of Google Drive. My second paragraph is all about mind maps. And the last paragraph is a summary of the entire article. Now I'm going to change these 3 sections, these 3 titles, to headings so that they'll be headings to Google Drive. To do that, I will copy and highlight over the text, and I'll go up to the Style section, and I'll hit Heading 1. Notice that this changes the style and the font of each of the words. This style and font can be set to any style and font that you wish. It'll just be your default for all future uses. In this example, however, let's say I want to change the font of my headings. I would simply change the font. I can change the size. I can change the style, and I can change the color. In other word processors, I would have to follow all of those steps to change all of the other ones. But Google Docs offers an interesting tool called the formatting paintbrush. To use the formatting paintbrush, highlight the text where you want to copy the style of. Hit the formatting paintbrush icon, and then highlight the text that you want to change the style of. Follow this for all the other samples. This saves a few steps in changing the headings. Our next feature is inserting a table of contents. Go up to the spot where you want to insert the table of contents, go to the Insert, and then go all the way down to Table of Contents. This will take the headings that you've put in from your styles bar, and these create links so that you can jump to any section within your document very easily. This is a great tool for multiple page documents. The next feature I'd like to talk about is the research tool. While you can insert images into Google Docs through the Insert Image folder, I recommend using a different way, especially with students. Instead, try going to Tools and Research. I can set the research to look for images, and we're going to look for an image of a mind map. Using the research feature, Google will automatically cite any of the images that you put in. If you look at this little arrow, you can filter your mind maps and you can find ones that are free to use. So these are ones that have Creative Commons licenses already associated with them. I can also change the citation format. Find the image that you would like to use and drag it into your document. You will notice at the bottom there will be a footnote with the citation. It also includes a superscript referring to that footnote. I'm going to edit this picture to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to wrap the text. I can also use the research tool to search text. First, I can highlight the topic that I want to search for, go to Tools and Research, and you'll see that it's already searching for mind maps. This is set to photos, but I can search for everything, or I can even search for scholarly articles. From this article, you can find text that you want to use, and you can insert it into your document. We will put quotation marks around this, and we're going to highlight the text that we put in. I'll go back to the source document, and I'm going to cite this as a footnote. So you'll notice that this added another footnote in the document and another superscript. But when citing, we need to include a works cited page. So on my last page, I'll make sure to include this document. I will title my works cited page and then I can insert this source. And with the power of Google Docs, I was easily able to cite a document. These are some of my favorite features of Google Drive.